Air pollution causes serious health effects, and according to new study, there is no safe place where you can escape air pollution. Now let's discuss what is air pollution and what is mechanism of action, how air pollution works, and how we can prevent air pollution. Air pollutants consist of several components: carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen oxide. Also, most important part of air pollutants is particulate matters. Particulate matter is small particles like metals, heavy metals, for example, carbon, nitrates, and other particles, and they can reach into our bloodstream. So they are so small, they are 2.5 microns or less, and they can reach into our bloodstream. They can cause inflammation, they can damage our lungs, they can cause asthma, COPD, or chronic bronchitis, lung cancer, cardiovascular disease. So these small particles causes health problems because they can reach to our bloodstream, and this particle is called PM 2.5. That's why most researches are focused on PM 2.5 and their concentration into air. And now let's say what is main cause of PM 2.5. It's vehicles emission, factories, power plants, and burning. When you burn coal, for example, or other so when you burning solid materials, you always getting PM 2.5. So it's huge problem. And according to studies, new studies, only 0.18% of Earth is safe from PM 2.5. So it means literally there is no safe place, especially in Asia is worst situation, Eastern and Southern Asia. And prevention, what can we do? First is you should stay indoors when air pollution is highest outdoor, and you can check, there is various web pages where you can check air pollution on your place. So and better to avoid going outside when air pollution is highest. Another prevention method is air purifiers or HEPA filters. You can use them and they can filter some PM 2.5. So it's another method of prevention, and reduce use of vehicle, because vehicle has huge part of air pollution. That's why we should focus on more green vehicles, and we should reduce using of vehicles, especially diesel vehicles are worst. Gasoline engine also uses and emits PM 2.5, but diesels and engines are worst. That's all. Thank you for your interest. If you like my video, please thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye for now.